Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Slight new layout. I've been spending time moving it all around and then getting to know my new machine. I've now got my two sewing machines in front of the window. I'm standing in the middle of the room at the moment and I'll just turn full circle and show you. My cutting table is now here. This is me Simon Simplicity sewing machine, all laid out because I've taken photographs because I'm going to sell that. I've got my serger at the end at my cutting desk, but I can access my cutting table now from three sides. Back here, at the side, and down here at the front, which is a lot better because I could only access it from one side before, so this is a lot better for me and I have been using it so I know it is a lot better. I've got some little shelves with different things on that I use. My tailor's dummy is there, and this is my extended pantry. I have my ironing station here, and under it is my my new home vintage in the cabinet, so I can access that quite easily. Over here I can now access and utilise my design wall, which is brilliant. I've got a computer there basically because I listen to a lot of YouTube channels when I'm up here, and I need it also for my new sewing machine so I can design things on it, embroidery. But I've been playing with it. First thing I did was tried the sewing machine side of it out and did my favourite table topper, and it's very good stitch wise and everything else, and I love that design anyway. Then I moved on to the embroidery side and embroidered this like flower design, which is one of the inbuilt designs, and put some fabric around the outside of it and made a table topper. And as soon as I got the fabric out for the first one, did that one. So I did this with my wedding ring template, double wedding ring template, but I just did the one. So it's a circular table topper, and I embroidered the middle up with one of the inbuilt designs, same as on the first. Moved on to this one with 4 embroidered designs, and one of them is a free one I downloaded, but no, I think they all are. No, that one is one of the inbuilt designs, but I think those 3 are ones I've downloaded, and they're all finished, and I've had enough of this colour way now. So yes, I've just been did one pattern, but I'll make it into a little placemat. But that's what I've been doing. As I said before, this is where my 2 sewing machines that I'm using now are. As you've seen before, the Necky with the 11-inch throat that I used to use just mainly for quilting. I do sewing and quilting on it now, because this one is the Silver Viscount, and if I can use it for sewing or embroidery. So if it's tied up embroidering, then I use the Necky to sew on. If it's not, then I can use it to sew on and go on the necky to quilt it, whichever I feel like doing. But later on, when I've got more used to, although the sewing machine side of it is very similar to normal sewing machines, so that's not a problem. But I will do a review on this when I've got more used to the embroidery side of it, because at the moment I'm just playing with it and I'm not completely down with it. Once I am, then I'll do it. But just thought I'd show you the move around and what I've been doing. Bye!